If you have diabetes, avoid these fruits. Did you know that some fruits can be villains in the diet of people with diabetes? If you think all fruits are healthy options, you need to know that some can raise your glucose levels much more than you might expect. In this video, we'll reveal which fruits you should avoid or consume with extreme caution to keep your blood sugar levels in check. Get ready to find out how small choices can make a big difference in your health. Don't miss this chance to learn how to eat fruits more wisely and keep your diabetes under control. Number 1, Mango. Mangoes, despite being rich in nutrients like vitamins A and C, should be consumed in moderation by people with diabetes due to their high natural sugar content, mainly fructose. With a glycemic index ranging from moderate to high, mangoes can cause spikes in blood glucose, especially when eaten in large quantities or in their ripe form. Additionally, the carbohydrates in mangoes are rapidly absorbed by the body, which can complicate glycemic control in individuals with insulin resistance. For those with diabetes, it's important to consider smaller portions and pair mangoes with fiber or protein-rich foods to minimize their glycemic impact. Number 2, Banana. Bananas, one of the most consumed fruits globally, offer benefits like potassium, vitamin B6, and fiber. However, for people with diabetes, consuming bananas requires attention due to their glycemic index, which increases as the fruit ripens. Ripe bananas contain more simple sugars, which can quickly elevate blood glucose levels. While bananas are a good source of quick energy, for individuals with diabetes, it's recommended to choose smaller portions and prefer less ripe bananas, which have a lower glycemic impact. Combining bananas with fiber or protein-rich foods can also help moderate their sugar absorption, contributing to more stable glycemic control. Number 3, Grapes. Grapes, known for their sweet and juicy flavor, are rich in antioxidants like resveratrol, which benefit cardiovascular health. However, for people with diabetes, caution is needed due to their high natural sugar content and moderate glycemic index. Even a small serving of grapes can contain a significant amount of carbohydrates, which can lead to undesirable glucose spikes. Additionally, the rapid absorption of sugars in grapes can make it challenging to manage blood glucose levels. To minimize these effects, it's advisable to limit the quantity consumed and, when possible, pair them with fiber or protein-rich foods that help slow the release of glucose into the body. Number 4, Pineapple. Pineapple, known for its sweet and refreshing taste, is an excellent source of vitamin C and bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion. However, its consumption should be moderated by people with diabetes due to its high fructose content and relatively high glycemic index. The rapid absorption of sugars in pineapple can lead to spikes in blood glucose, especially if consumed in large portions or without pairing with other foods. Additionally, pineapple juice, lacking fiber, has an even more pronounced impact on glycemic levels. For those with diabetes, it's preferable to consume pineapple in small portions and ideally with fiber or protein-rich foods to reduce its glycemic effect. Number 5, Watermelon. Watermelon, popular for its high hydration and refreshing qualities, is rich in antioxidants like lycopene and vitamins A and C. However, for people with diabetes, watermelon consumption requires caution due to its high glycemic index. Although it is mostly composed of water, watermelon contains natural sugars that are rapidly absorbed by the body, potentially causing spikes in blood glucose levels. Additionally, the lack of significant fiber contributes to this effect, making glycemic control more challenging. To minimize these risks, it's advisable to consume watermelon in small portions and pair it with foods that slow the absorption of sugar, such as those rich in fiber or protein. Number 6, Fig. Fig, valued for its sweet taste and rich fiber, vitamins, and minerals like calcium and potassium, is a fruit that requires special attention in the context of diabetes. Despite its nutritional benefits, figs have a significant amount of natural sugars, particularly fructose, which can affect blood glucose levels. This effect is heightened when figs are consumed dried, as the sugar concentration is even higher due to water loss. For people with diabetes, it's crucial to control fig portions and opt for fresh varieties in small amounts, always considering the cumulative impact of carbohydrates in the diet. Combining figs with fiber or protein-rich foods can help moderate glucose release into the body. Number 7, Persimmon. Persimmons, appreciated for their soft texture and extremely sweet flavor, are rich in antioxidants like beta-carotene, as well as vitamins A and C. However, for people with diabetes, persimmons should be consumed with caution due to their high fructose and carbohydrate content. This combination can cause significant spikes in blood glucose levels, especially when the fruit is very ripe. Additionally, persimmons have a high glycemic index, meaning their sugars are quickly absorbed by the body, making glycemic control more challenging. To minimize these effects, it is recommended to eat persimmons in small portions and pair them with foods that slow sugar absorption, such as fiber or protein, to help maintain more stable blood sugar levels. Number 8. Papaya. Papaya, known for its digestive properties and rich nutrient profile including vitamins A and C and fiber, is widely consumed for its health benefits. However, for people with diabetes, papaya should be eaten with attention due to its natural sugar content, especially fructose. Although it has a moderate glycemic index, papaya can impact blood glucose levels, particularly if consumed in large quantities or as part of a meal with other carbohydrates. Combining papaya with fiber or protein-rich foods can help slow sugar absorption, making it a safer option for glycemic control. Therefore, moderate portions and mindful consumption are essential to avoid glucose spikes. Number 9. Date. Dates, known for their sweet taste and soft texture, are extremely rich in natural sugars like glucose and fructose, making them a concentrated source of carbohydrates. For people with diabetes, this high sugar concentration results in a high glycemic index, leading to a rapid increase in blood glucose levels after consumption. Additionally, dates are often eaten dried, which further intensifies their glycemic impact due to higher sugar concentration from water loss. Despite their nutritional benefits, such as fiber and minerals, it is crucial for individuals with diabetes to consume dates in extreme moderation, preferably pairing them with foods that slow sugar absorption, like nuts or seeds, to minimize glucose spikes. Number 10. Cherry. Cherries, loved for their sweet and vibrant flavor, contain antioxidants like anthocyanins that can benefit cardiovascular health. However, for people with diabetes, cherries require caution due to their natural sugar content and moderate glycemic index. A serving of cherries can provide a significant amount of carbohydrates, which, if consumed in excess, can quickly elevate blood glucose levels. While cherries have a lower glycemic impact compared to more sugary fruits, it is essential to moderate intake and prefer smaller portions. For better glycemic control, it is recommended to combine cherries with fiber or protein-rich foods, which can help lessen the impact of the sugars on blood glucose levels. Number 11. Lychee. Lychee, known for its exotic and juicy flavor, is rich in vitamin C, copper, and antioxidants. However, for people with diabetes, lychee should be consumed in moderation due to its high natural sugar content, including glucose and fructose. These sugars, combined with the fruit's relatively high glycemic index, can cause rapid and significant increases in blood glucose levels. Additionally, lychee has an even more pronounced glycemic effect when consumed in large quantities or as juice, which lacks the fiber that helps moderate sugar absorption. To better control blood sugar, it is advisable to limit lychee intake and pair it with fiber or protein-rich foods, which can help balance the fruit's glycemic impact. Number 12. Passion fruit. Passion fruit, known for its tangy flavor and sedative properties, is rich in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants like flavonoids. However, for people with diabetes, passion fruit should be consumed with caution due to its natural sugar content, especially when eaten in large quantities. Although the glycemic index of passion fruit is relatively low compared to other fruits, its glycemic effect can increase if consumed in excess or in the form of juices, which lack fiber and therefore have a more pronounced impact on blood sugar levels. To maintain effective glycemic control, it is recommended to consume passion fruit in moderate portions and pair it with foods that help slow sugar absorption, such as proteins or fiber-rich foods. Number 13. Plum. Plums, whether fresh or dried, are known for their sweet flavor and digestive benefits due to their fiber and antioxidant content. However, for people with diabetes, plum consumption should be monitored carefully. Dried plums, in particular, have a much higher concentration of natural sugars, resulting in a significant glycemic impact. While fresh plums have a lower glycemic index, their carbohydrate content can still affect glucose levels if consumed in large quantities. To manage blood sugar, it is advisable to consume plums in moderation and combine them with protein or fiber-rich foods, which can help mitigate the effect of sugars on blood glucose levels. Now that you know which fruits can affect your glucose levels, remember that moderation and smart food combinations are key. Whenever possible, opt for controlled portions and seek alternatives with a milder glycemic effect. Your glycemic control can significantly improve with small dietary changes. Thanks for watching until the end. Don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel and share with your friends.